Are you ready to discover the sharpest, toughest, and most reliable tactical knives you can carry every single day? In today's countdown, we're breaking down the top 10 tactical knives for everyday carry in 2025. From compact designs that disappear in your pocket to heavy-duty blades built for survival, these knives are not just tools, they're lifelines. Whether you're into outdoor adventures, self-defense, or just need a trustworthy everyday cutter, this list has the perfect blade for you. Stick around to the very end, because our number one pick is an absolute powerhouse you don't want to miss. Gerber Paraframe Mini Tanto. When it comes to compact tactical knives that don't weigh down your pocket, the Gerber Paraframe Mini Tanto makes an excellent entry-level EDC option. Designed with a minimalist, skeletonized frame, this knife is lightweight yet durable, making it perfect for those who want a blade that doesn't feel bulky. The Tanto-style blade is sharp, sturdy, and versatile, allowing you to handle everyday cutting tasks while also giving you the piercing strength needed in more tactical or emergency scenarios. The stainless steel construction ensures resistance to rust and wear, even if you're carrying it in humid or wet conditions. Its frame lock mechanism keeps the blade secure when in use, giving you peace of mind during tasks that require pressure or force. The compact size makes it incredibly pocket-friendly, and the affordable price makes it accessible for anyone starting their EDC journey. Whether you're cutting open packages, working outdoors, or needing a backup blade, the Gerber Paraframe Mini Tanto proves that small doesn't mean weak. It's a reliable, affordable, and lightweight tactical knife that fits perfectly into any everyday carry setup. Number 9. CRKT M16 10KZ EDC Folding Knife. The Columbia River Knife Tool CRKT M16 10KZ is a proven tactical knife that has gained a strong reputation in the EDC community. It's designed with a Tanto-style, high-carbon stainless steel blade, which provides both cutting and piercing power. What makes this knife stand out is the Carson flipper opening system, which makes one-handed deployment smooth and fast. It also doubles as a guard to protect your fingers during heavy use. The knife uses a reliable liner lock and auto-lock safety system, turning it almost into a fixed blade knife when locked, making it incredibly secure for demanding tasks. The handle is made from lightweight, glass-filled nylon scales that are both durable and comfortable for extended use. Whether you're outdoors, working on utility tasks, or simply need a reliable blade for defense, the CRKT M16 delivers. The tactical design, reliable safety features, and ergonomic build make it a knife trusted by many users, from professionals to everyday carriers. For anyone who values safety, speed, and strength in their EDC knife, the M16 10KZ is a solid tactical companion. Ontario Rat Segunda Folding Knife. The Ontario Rat 2 is often praised as one of the best value tactical EDC knives on the market, combining affordability with premium-level performance. With a 3-inch AUS 8 stainless steel blade, this knife balances sharpness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. Its drop-point blade design makes it versatile for everyday tasks, such as slicing, cutting rope, or preparing food outdoors. The knife opens smoothly with dual thumb studs, making ambidextrous use possible. The nylon handles are slim yet provide an excellent grip, ensuring you can use it for prolonged periods without discomfort. One of the standout features of the Rat 2 is its 4-position pocket clip, giving you complete customization for how you prefer to carry it. Whether tip up or tip down, left or right-hand carry, it adjusts to your lifestyle. Its lightweight build makes it comfortable for pocket carry, while the solid lockup mechanism ensures safety during heavy-duty use. The Ontario Rat 2 is not just a budget-friendly option. It's a tactical knife that performs well above its price tag, trusted by EDC enthusiasts and professionals alike. Spyderco Tenacious Folding Knife. The Spyderco Tenacious has become a fan favorite in the EDC and tactical knife community because of its reliability, practical design, and affordable price. The 3.39-inch blade is made from 8Car13 MoV stainless steel, known for its ability to hold a sharp edge while still being easy to sharpen. Its drop point style offers versatility, making it great for slicing, piercing, and fine tasks. One of the standout features of the Tenacious is Spyderco's iconic thumb hole for easy one-handed opening, which works equally well for right and left-handed users. The G10 handle scales provide a secure grip, even in wet or slippery conditions, and the knife's liner lock mechanism ensures the blade stays firmly in place during heavy use. The reversible pocket clip allows for multiple carry options, catering to different EDC preferences. Beyond its specifications, what makes the Tenacious special is the way it feels in hand. It strikes a perfect balance between size, weight, and cutting power. It's large enough to handle tactical or survival needs, but compact enough to comfortably carry every day. For anyone seeking a dependable knife with proven quality and functionality, the Spyderco Tenacious stands tall as one of the best tactical knives you can rely on daily. Number 6. SOG Flash AT-XR. SOG has a reputation for producing rugged tactical gear, and the Flash AT-XR folding knife continues that legacy with its blend of strength, speed, and safety. The 3.45-inch D2 steel blade offers excellent edge retention and toughness, making it perfect for demanding tactical and utility tasks. This knife features the XR lock, which is one of the strongest locking mechanisms in the industry, capable of handling extreme pressure without failing. The assisted opening mechanism allows lightning-fast one-handed deployment, giving you quick access in emergency situations. Ergonomically, the Flash AT-XR excels with its textured GRN, glass-reinforced nylon, handles, which ensure a secure grip while keeping the overall weight down. Another highlight is the safety lock, which prevents accidental deployment when not in use, an important detail for those who carry their knife daily. With a deep carry pocket clip, the knife stays discreet and comfortable in your pocket. The SOG Flash AT-XR is more than just a tactical knife. It's a tool designed for professionals and serious EDC enthusiasts who value reliability and speed. Whether for survival scenarios, outdoor adventures, or everyday tasks, it brings confidence and ruggedness to your gear lineup. Number 5. Cold Steel Recon 1. Cold steel knives have long been respected for their toughness, and the Recon 1 is one of the most trusted tactical folding knives available today. Known for its extreme durability, the Recon 1 features a 4-inch blade made of premium 35VN stainless steel, which provides exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and cutting performance. Its Tanto point design is particularly effective for piercing and heavy-duty tactical tasks, making it a favorite among military and law enforcement personnel. One of the knife's most notable features is its triad lock, which is considered one of the strongest and most reliable locking systems in the knife industry. This lock can withstand enormous amounts of pressure, ensuring the blade won't fold during critical use. The G10 handle scales provide superb grip, even in harsh conditions, and the knife's overall build inspires confidence in hand. Despite its larger size, it carries surprisingly well thanks to its pocket clip and ergonomic design. The Recon 1 has built a reputation as a no-nonsense tactical workhorse that can take abuse and keep performing. For those who want a knife that prioritizes strength and reliability above all else, the Cold Steel Recon 1 is a must-have. Benchmade Griptilian. The Benchmade Griptilian is a staple in the tactical knife world, known for its high quality, functionality, and ergonomic design. With a 3.45-inch drop point blade made of premium CPM's 30V steel, the Griptilian offers superior edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it ideal for both EDC and tactical applications. Benchmade's Axis Lock is one of the smoothest and most secure locking mechanisms on the market, allowing for ambidextrous, one-handed operation. The glass-filled nylon handles are lightweight yet durable, with a textured surface that ensures a secure grip during extended use. What makes the Griptilian stand out is its balance between rugged durability and everyday practicality. It's tough enough for survival or self-defense, yet compact and comfortable for daily carry. It also features a reversible pocket clip for customizable carry. Many EDC enthusiasts and professionals choose the Griptilian because of its reputation for reliability and its ability to handle both fine and heavy-duty tasks effortlessly. Benchmade's lifetime sharpening service adds even more value, ensuring your Griptilian stays razor-sharp for years. It's not just a knife, it's a long-term investment and a tactical tool you can trust. Gerber 6 Auto. The Gerber 6 Auto is a tactical knife built with military-grade precision and toughness, making it one of the most trusted knives among servicemen and professionals alike. Designed for heavy-duty tasks and emergency situations, the 6 Auto features a 3.8-inch drop-point blade made from sturdy V stainless steel, which provides excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability. What sets this knife apart is its automatic deployment mechanism, activated with the push of a button, giving users instant access to the blade when seconds matter. The handle is constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, providing a rugged yet lightweight feel, and it incorporates a stainless steel pommel with a striking point for breaking glass or self-defense use. Another standout feature is the secure plunge lock, which ensures the blade remains safely locked in place during use. Though the Gerber 6 Auto is larger and heavier than many EDC knives, its size is an advantage for tactical operations, survival needs, and high-pressure environments. It was designed with input from military operators, so every detail from grip texture to blade strength was carefully considered for real-world demands. This knife is not just for collectors. It's a serious tool for those who need uncompromising performance and reliability. If you want a knife with battle-proven toughness, the Gerber 6 Auto deserves a place in your tactical gear. Number 2. Zero Tolerance. 0350. Zero-tolerance knives are renowned for their high-end craftsmanship and durability, and the 350 is a prime example of this reputation. The 350 features a 3.25-inch sturdy V stainless steel blade with a versatile modified drop-point design, making it highly effective for slicing, piercing, and general utility tasks. The blade is coated with black tungsten DLC, diamond like carbon, which not only provides a stealthy look, but also adds resistance against wear and corrosion. What makes the 350 especially appealing is its speed-safe assisted opening system, allowing rapid, smooth deployment with just a thumb stud or flipper. The G10 handle scales ensure a strong grip, even in wet or slippery conditions, while the liner lock offers reliable blade security during use. Despite being slightly heavier than some other EDC knives, the weight contributes to its rugged feel and durability, ensuring that it can withstand demanding tactical and survival scenarios. With a 4-way reversible pocket clip, it caters to multiple carry preferences, making it versatile for users of all kinds. The Zero Tolerance 350 balances premium materials, tactical reliability, and ease of use, making it one of the most respected tactical EDC knives on the market. For those who demand professional-grade performance, the 350 is a top-tier choice that never disappoints. Benchmade Adamas. At the very top of our list is the Benchmade Adamas, a tactical knife that embodies strength, durability, and precision engineering. This knife was specifically designed with military and law enforcement personnel in mind, built to handle the toughest conditions without compromise. The Adamas features a 3.8-inch blade crafted from CPM crewwear steel, a tool steel known for its superior toughness and edge retention, making it nearly indestructible even under extreme use. Its drop-point blade design adds versatility, capable of handling both fine-cutting tasks and heavy-duty tactical operations. One of the defining features of the Adamas is Benchmade's Axis lock system, which is ambidextrous, smooth, and incredibly strong, giving users confidence that the blade won't fail during critical use. The G10 handle scales provide a secure, ergonomic grip, while the knife's overall design emphasizes balance and durability. Despite its large size, the Adamas carries comfortably thanks to its deep carry pocket clip and well-thought-out ergonomics. To further solidify its reputation, Benchmade donates a portion of Adamas sales to organizations supporting military veterans, a reminder that this knife was created with service members in mind. The Adamas isn't just an EDC knife, it's a tactical powerhouse, designed for those who demand the absolute best in strength, reliability, and functionality. If you're looking for the ultimate tactical EDC knife of 2025, the Benchmade Adamas is the clear number one. And that's our list of the top 10 tactical knives for everyday carry in 2025. Each of these knives proves that carrying the right blade can make all the difference, whether you're tackling daily tasks or preparing for the unexpected. Which one of these knives would you trust as your EDC? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the best tactical gear and gadgets. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay sharp and stay prepared.